A 4-room house in Tuscany for just 23,000. Welcome back, my friends. Let's see what we can do here. Boys, let's get to work. This is exactly what I had in mind. A renovation has to fit the budget because we're not here to overspend. Come on in, let's check out the rooms. Wow, I love it. What exactly did we do here? Fresh paint, new laminate floors, and some budget-friendly base cabinets. The rest, you probably have that at home already. Let's head to the bedroom. I don't know about you, but this room already feels like home. I love it! Ready to check out the man cave? This room isn't huge, but it's where big Ducati dreams come true for a lot of guys. All right, friends, let's go and see the rest of the house. Absolute class. This is exactly how a bathroom should look today. A large minimalist design and plenty of space for the shower. Moving on with the tour, let's go. A simple but beautiful kids' room. Now a question for you. What do you think of these videos where I show you the potential? Let me know in the comments. See you outside in the garden in a second? Looks like everyone's happy. Would you renovate this house the same way? The link to the property is in the description. Don't forget to like and follow. See you again in 2 days. Ciao.